I'm Morgan from Unisub, and today I'm going to show you how to sublimate a two-sided FRP keychain. Keychains are a super fun product that we manufacture. You can add them to backpacks, lunch boxes, purses, or keys. Unisub manufactures a variety of keychains available in various shapes, sizes, and substrates. You can find more information about our bag tags at unisub.com. Let's get started with our sublimation. First, let's go over the supplies you'll need to get started. A blank Unisub keychain, 2 printer transfers from your Sublimation printer, heat tape, a clean microfiber cloth, scissors, heat protective gloves, a cooling rack, 2 sheets of protective paper, and your heat press set to 385 degrees Fahrenheit or 195 degrees Celsius. All right, let's get our keychain ready for sublimation. While you are doing this, go ahead and turn on your heat press if you've not already done so it can heat up. We recommend to set your press at 385 degrees Fahrenheit and to press at a medium pressure. Be sure to remove any film that might be on your keychain and also wipe it off with a clean microfiber cloth. You could also use a can of air to do this. And you also want to wipe off your transfers just to make sure that there's nothing on the surface of them. Since this is an FRP product, we recommend pressing one side at a time. So we can go ahead and line up our transfer with our keychain. I want this side on the left away from the hole, so I'm gonna put it right here, line it up, and then using 2 pieces of heat tape, secure it to the transfer. And we're ready to go ahead and press this side of our keychain. Let's place our keychain in the press. First, lay a sheet of protective paper down on the bottom of your press. You can place the keychain on top. You want the non-sublimated side to be on the bottom, the side you're going to sublimate to be on top. Go ahead and cover with another sheet of protective paper. Confirm that your press is at the correct temperature. Again, that's 385 degrees Fahrenheit or 195 degrees Celsius. We're going to press this side of the keychain for a minute to a minute 10, I'm sorry, and then we'll press that at a medium pressure. Let's go ahead and press. Keep in mind that all presses are a little bit different, so be sure to find what time and temperature works best for yours. Okay, let's grab our keychain off of the heat press. I have on my heat protective gloves since this will be hot, so you'll definitely want to use caution. Go ahead and open up your press. Remove the top sheet of protective paper. Using your heat glove and your free hand, you can remove the transfer and grab your keychain. Here's our sublimated side. I'm going to let it cool off for a few minutes, then we can sublimate the other side. We are simply going to repeat the process for this side of our keychain. Wipe it off again, just to make sure it is clean. Keep in mind where you want your hole to end up. I'm just putting the same image on both sides, so I'm going to have it reflect. Line it up with your transfer using a few pieces of heat tape. Secure it to your transfer. Okay, we are ready to go ahead and move to the heat press for the final time. Okay, we're ready to sublimate the second side of our keychain. Make sure a sheet of protective paper is on the bottom of your press. Go ahead and place the keychain in the press. The side you've sublimated already will be on the bottom. Lay another sheet of protective paper on top. We're also going to press this side of the keychain for a minute to a minute 10 at a medium pressure. Let's go ahead and press. All right, our product is done sublimated, so I'm going to go ahead and take it off the heat press for the final time. Open up your press, remove the top sheet of protective paper. Make sure to have on your heat gloves since this will be hot. And I'm going to pull this off and then peel back the transfer. Both sides are sublimated, looks super cute. I'm gonna let it cool off for a few minutes. Our keychain looks great. I went ahead and added our keyring to it and a cute tassel for a little extra flair. Again, you can learn more about our other keychains and products we manufacture at unisub.com. Be sure to check out our partner portal for graphics, templates, product mockups, and more. Thanks for joining us today. Happy sublimating!